Hello students, good afternoon all of you. Okay, so in the previous class we learned how to draw the frequency curve, frequency polygon with histogram and without histogram. Today we learn the ogive or cumulative frequency curve. Very important topic this one for you. Ogive or cumulative frequency curve. This is one type of the diagrammatic representation. So ogive or cumulative representation, cumulative frequency curve is the curve which is constructed by plotting cumulative frequency data on the graph paper in form of a smooth curve. So see, this type of diagram we need the graph paper. So students, when you practice this in your home, you must use the graph paper. Okay, in board this is not possible, so write down this one. Ogive is the curve which is constructed by plotting cumulative frequency data on the graph paper. In the form of a smooth curve. That means here we can't use the straight line. Okay. Okay, so note down this one. Completed, Kritika? After completing, give response. Okay. So this ogive we can construct two ways. Okay. This ogive we can construct two ways. One is less than method. Another is greater than method. Or more than method. Here we use the more than. More than method. And this one also called the less than ogive, more than ogive. Okay, so what is the less than method? In this method, beginning from the upper limit of the first class interval, we go and adding the frequency corresponding to every next upper limit of the series. Okay, so we start from the upper limit of the first class interval with respective frequencies given. This frequency we adding up from the upper limit of the class interval. Okay, so let's see with one example. See, marks and number of students given, zero to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40. Next one, 4, 6, 10. This is the frequency. 25, 22, 4, 6, 10, 10, 25, 22, 18 and 5. Now see how we find out the less than type. Okay, so this marks we can write down in the here, write down less than type. So here instead of this one you can write less than 5, that means 0 to 5, which is same. Less than 5 means 0 to 5. So you can write down less than 5, less than 10, less than 15, less than 20, less than 25, less than 30, less than 35 and less than 40. This is same as the 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35 and 35 to 40. Now we find out this one is F. Now we find out the cumulative frequency, CF. So first one 4, you also student, you can know how to find, you know that one, that how to find the cumulative frequency. So 6, next 6 plus 4 is 10, right? Next 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 25, 55, 22 plus 55, 77, 77 plus 18, 95 and 95 plus 5, it is 100. So our total F is, summation F is also 100 and CF is also last cumulative frequency also 100. So now this is we plotted in our graph paper or on the board. Okay, so this is show the less than type. So how we draw the less than? So let's see. less than ogive. Okay, so 0, here we take 0 to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, like this. X, this one is marks, this side number of students. Okay, here we take 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So less than 5 or 0 to 5 is, first one is 4. So 4 may be here. Okay, we point out here. Next one, 5 to 10. 5 to 10 is 10. Next 10 to 15, 20. Here. Next 15 to 20, 30. Here. 20 to 25, 55. Next 77. Next 30 to 35, 95. Next 40 is 100. Now we join this all the points. We start from 0 because our first limit class interval of the first upper limit lower limit is 0. That's why we take from 0, join by this freehand curve. Okay, so this is our less than type ogive. Now we find out the more than ogive. So clear this one, students? I will rub. Now first find out the more than type. Okay. Now same here, marks. Already you have the data 0 to 5. So here we write down for the more than type, more than 0. That means greater than 0. That means 0 to 5. And here we find out the cumulative frequency. Okay, first write down the frequency, then write down the CF. Frequency, cumulative frequency. Okay, more than 0, then more than 5, more than 10, more than 15, more than 20, more than 25, more than 30, more than 35, and last one is more than 40. That means 35 to 40. We can arrange like this. Now note down the frequency: 4, 10, 10, 25, 22, 4, 6, 10, 10, 25, 22, 18 and 5. Okay, now we find out the CF. So we know the total summation frequency is 100. So we start from the for the more than ogive. This one we in this method we start from the lower limit of the first class interval, so more than 0, and here for the less than type we successively add all the frequency. Okay, but here we deduct. So first one is 100, next 100 minus 4, 96, 96 minus 6, 90, 90 minus 10, 80, again 80 minus 10, 70, 70 minus 25, 45, 45 minus 18, 23, 23 minus 5, sorry, this one is 22, 22, yes, next one is 18, it is 5, next one 5 minus 5 is 0. Okay, now this one we constructed by the diagram. So here we can write more than ogive. So same x marks 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 number of students. Next here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40. So according to from 0 to 5 or more than 0 we have the cumulative frequency 100. So we start from here 100. Next one 96. So just below this. Next 90 here. Next one more than 15 is this one. More than 20 is 70. This more than 30 more than 25 45. More than 30 23. More than 35. More than 35 is 5 and this one is 0. So now we join this by the free hand like this. So this one like this. Now we can obtain the marks in statistics. How we join these two ogive, more than and less than. Okay, this one I will show in the next class. Students, so up to this understood how to construct it more than ogive and less than ogive. First we have to find out the more than marks in the more than type or less than type. Then we constructed then we find out the cumulative frequency. Then we can draw like this. So for today I will end up here. Next day I will continue this class. Okay students, so for today, thank you.